Every time your phone buzzes, you lose more than just a few seconds. You're suffering from attention residue that makes you 40% less productive. In this video, I'll give you a workflow to shield your mind and get 3 hours of work done in one. Meet John. John has a report due tomorrow. He's been sitting at his desk for 3 hours, but he's only written 2 paragraphs. To John, it feels like he's just lazy. But if we look closer, we see the real problem. Every time he hits a difficult sentence, his hand reaches for his phone. He tells himself it's just a 5-minute break. But 20 minutes later, he's deep in a comment section debate. Most of us are like John. We believe we're in control of our attention, but the truth is, we're up against ancient biological software that is being manipulated by modern technology. Quick question. How many times today have you checked your phone without actually having a notification to look at? Just a quick check of the fridge to see if anything changed. To fix this, we need to understand the concept of attention residue. Think of your brain like a computer trying to load a massive, complex program. When you're working on a difficult task, your brain is loaded into that context. But when a notification pings, or you just check a text, your brain has to switch contexts. Even after you put the phone down, a part of your mind is still thinking about that message. Research shows it takes your mind about 15 minutes to fully regain your focus after a distraction. So if you check your phone every 10 minutes, you are never actually working at 100% capacity. You're essentially working with a fragmented brain. Think about it this way. If you had a friend who jumped through your window every 10 minutes to tell you a random joke, you'd never get anything done. That is exactly what your phone is doing. Why is it so hard to just stop? It's because of something called intermittent reinforcement. In the 20th century, psychologist B.F. Skinner found that if you give a rat a reward every single time it pulls a lever, the rat eventually gets bored. But if the reward is random, sometimes it gets food, sometimes it doesn't, the rat becomes obsessed. It will pull that lever until it collapses. Your phone is a digital Skinner box. Every time you refresh your feed, you're pulling a lever. Maybe you get a like, maybe you get a funny video, or maybe you get nothing. It's that uncertainty that keeps you hooked. Biologically, we only have about 5 units of attention available at any given time. If 1 unit is spent worrying about a text and another is spent on a YouTube video you just watched, you only have 3 left for your actual work. High achievers understand this. They protect their units like a laser beam, directing all 5 into one single task. Quick recap. 1. Every distraction costs you 15 minutes of focus. 2. Your phone is a slot machine. 3. You only have 5 focus units per day. Are you ready to build your shield? Here is the Attention Shield workflow, a 3-step system you can start using today. Step 1. Optimize your physical environment. Social media apps are like a fridge. You check them every 15 minutes out of habit, even when you know nothing is there. The first step of the shield is to remove the fridge. Put your phone in another room or a drawer before you start working. If it's not in your line of sight, you interrupt the autopilot that makes you reach for it. Step 2. Create instant discipline. Willpower is like a battery. It drains the more you use it. Don't rely on willpower to stay off distracting sites. Use a site blocker or an app to create a physical barrier. By deciding which websites are blocked ahead of time, you turn a tempting choice into a closed door. You don't have to be a superhuman with infinite discipline. You just need a better system. Step 3. Unstimulate your brain. Real rest isn't scrolling through TikTok. That's just more stimulation for a fried brain. To recharge your 5 focus units, you must allow yourself to be bored. Take a 15-minute walk without headphones, or just sit and stare out the window. It sounds counterintuitive, but stillness is where your brain connects ideas and prepares for the next round of deep work. Pause. Do this now. Look at your phone's screen time settings. Whatever that number is, imagine what you could have achieved if even half of that time was spent on your number one goal. Becoming a person who can focus is a skill. You might only be able to shield your attention for 10 minutes today, but if you practice this workflow daily, you'll find you can eventually go for an hour, then 2. You aren't broken, and you aren't lazy. You are just living in a world designed to distract you. By building your attention shield, you take back the power to choose where your life goes. Start small. Tomorrow morning, try to work for just 25 minutes with your phone in a completely different room. See how it feels to have all 5 of your focus units working for you instead of against you. If you're ready to stop being a rat in a box and reclaim your focus, gently tap the like button and subscribe to join our community. Share this video with someone who is suffering from attention residue so they can reclaim their focus and productivity by 100%.